Good afternoon friends. Today we're going to make pecan pie. Welcome to my kitchen for the first time, or hello again if you've been here before. How are you doing? Hope you're alright. Let's go. Today I'm filming two videos. One I've already done, hence why I'm wearing an apron that's a bit dirty. So if you watch two videos one after the other and I look the same, that's why. I'm a busy woman. I've got away in like 5 million jobs, right? I have to mass film at once. It's one of the things. Right, anyway, today we're going to make pecan pie. Haven't made a pie in a while, so let's do that. I found one using condensed milk that looks like it's going to be super easy because you know me, I like to just have an easy recipe, throw it all together, put it in the oven, eat it, done. Good to go, no fuss. I'm using short crust pastry today. You can, if you want to, make your own short crust pastry, but if you're like me and you just don't have the time, just buy it. I won't tell anyone. See if you make it and you give it to folk and they say, I'm going to ask Suhawk, I'll be like, no. That person made that, I don't know what you're talking about. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees, 180 if you've got a fan, gas mark 6. Yeah, and I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but the fantastic and lovely tailed feature will probably, hopefully, fingers crossed, Google that and put that on the screen somewhere for us all to view with our eyeballs. This recipe calls for, and I'm going to look down and tell you, pastry, eggs, 2 of, dark brown soft sugar, golden syrup, condensed milk, buttery spread, or butter as long as it's got high fat content in it, pecans and a splash of vanilla, and that's you. And then whatever else you want to eat it with, ice cream, cream, custard, I don't know, whatever you want. I'm going to pause and read my instructions. Professional. Cook the pastry, shovel the shit together and put it in the oven. So you need a 20cm dish, preferably one where the arse comes out, because it'll be easier to get your pie out. Ideally you should be able to put the pastry in, but I'm scared. Will I put parchment on this? No, let's just throw caution to the wind. Get your pastry that you spent hours making, slaving over. Struggle to open the packet, oh my god. This is like witchcraft or something, isn't it? Excuse me. Raging. Right. There we go. That took forever. Ooh. Oh. Right. Unroll your pastry. And then slap it over your dish, but try and like fold it. I should have maybe kept this out the fridge for a wee second or two before I managed this, but it's fine, it's okay. See this last bit that's all roly-poly and doing my nutting, that's coming off. And what I'm going to do with it is smoosh it into a wee ball, like so, and then use that ball to like push on the edges. So lift your pastry up, push in, lift up, push in. Push it real good! Leave it hanging over the sides because we can just, it's easier to trim off like cooked pastry, just fucking Jimmy Roon. If we leave it hanging over the sides, we'll fix that, but we'll cut off the big bits and now. Any wee holes that you've created while trying to pokey jiggery, just patch them, much as you would an ex-lover on Tinder. Patchy, patchy, patchy. I'm obviously not great with pastry, as you can tell. That'll do. Right, so what we're going to do now is just stab 11 bejesus out of it. Ba, 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 ba. Right, that's probably enough stuff. Get some parchmental paper. scrunch it into a wee ball. Put it over and put lentils or baking beans or whatever you like to use. Put them on there. Thingy them about a wee bit. Stick that in your oven for 10 minutes. Right, now get your bowl, put your ingredients in the bowl, smush it to bits. So we have dark brown soft sugar, 100 grams. Oh, why does nothing want to open for me today? Raging! Not what you want in life. Would that say 100 grams? Right. Didn't zero my scales. Drama. It's 104, but I'll allow the 4. Why not? Let's add in our splash of vanilla now. Why not? Condensed milk, 170 grams. Begs the question though, what do I do with the rest of the condensed milk in this tin? That's when you need to buy a squeezy bottle of condensed milk in it. But then what do you do with the rest of that? Most recipes I use call for full tins of condensed milk. This one does not. 175 grams, is that what I said? 170 grams. 50, 60, 75. 170 grams. Professional. Golden syrup, 1 tablespoon. That's about a tablespoon. Butter spread. $75 grams. I'm using a kid spoon because I don't have any queen spoons. Oh, did anyone put a timer on for that? No, they didn't. Nobody put a timer on. God's sake, man. We'll get it 5 minutes. Eggs. You're just getting this a right good mixer in here. I mean, a stand mixer or a hand mixer probably would have been best, but here we are. That's it. Just mix that till it's all combined. All that's really left to do is deal with the pastry, put the pecans on all nice once the shit goes in, put it in the ovens, granite, pretty much done. That's pure easy. I should explain myself, shouldn't I? Pastry goes in for 10 minutes, then you have to take the beans out, put it back in the other oven for another 10 minutes, and then reduce the heat in your oven, pour the mixture in, put the pecans in, put it in the oven. But we'll go through it together. We'll do this hand in hand together. Right, see you shortly. This is now out the oven, looking a bit shite inside because I patched it, but that's fine. And I've just turned my oven down. So to reduce your oven to 170 degrees, 160 if you've got a fan, gas mark 4, and whatever Fahrenheit that is, I don't know. I've put my thing on a tray because I'm a shite bag, and I'm scared because it spills and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, got my oven door open for 2 wee seconds just to let a lot of the heat out to help reduce it faster, and I'll shut the door. Next, what we have to do is cut off these edges. So what I'm going to probably do now is just move the camera so you can see exactly what I'm doing and me pouring it and all that kind of stuff, because you don't need to see me, you need to see this. Pie. Right, so I have a really big sharp knife and a really small sharp knife. Ooh. And I don't know what one I'm going to use yet, but I'm going to use one of them. And I'm going to put on my trusty oven gloves. And we're just going to... There's a much better way to do this. I know there is. Right, let's see. Yeah, that's better. Woo, that was satisfying. Cheeky. So now we have successfully done our edges. Look at that. Didn't that look good? Don't look at the inside, just look at the edges. Right, here's our mixture. And here is our 100 grams of pecan nuts. Pour that in. Mew. So now we have to use our pecans to like decorate it, I guess. But like they're all going to sink because you've got a heavy liquidy liquid there. But yeah, put your pecans in. Imagine I make an effort to try and make this look pretty and I run out of pecans. I've made an effort-ish. Now I'm just going to start sporadically sticking them everywhere because I've got things to do today. You know what I'm saying? I've not got time for this. Now I'm changing hands to make it difficult for myself, but also so you can see what I'm doing, because do you know what, I'm a good guy that way. Make life hard for myself to make it good for others. Oh look, it was looking nice and then we absolutely fucked it. Right, that's what we're looking at. Wait, I'll give you a good glimpse. You can see where I started off being kind of good, like round the edges, like and then I went and just did whatever. But yeah, we'll put this in the oven now. This now goes in the oven for 50 minutes and then it has to sit for 20 minutes. Here is the pie. It's been like a couple of hours, so it's cooled down now, but this is what it looks like when I took it out of the oven. Wee bit burnt, won't lie. Oh, it's still on the bottom of the tray as well. Like, it'd be helpful if I took that away, didn't it? Do you want a fork in it?
Aye.
I'll say that. I don't think we'll get any forks.
Fuck's sake.
I know. God, I just made all the dinners and that. There's no forks. You can get a savvy fork.
I'll just pick it up and take a bite. I'm taking beans on me. Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Just smear beans on your face. That's fine.
Tried the pie.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever tried pecan pie before, have I?
Pecan pie's nice.
I can't get in because he's eating, but here, that's nice.
Pecan pie's lovely.
You got that? Do you want it? Try a bit. No? Okay.
That's good.
Do you like them?
Alright.
Did you have this in America?
Yeah.
Is it the same consistency?
Almost, but it's still a wee bit warm, so that'd be why.
Right. See, it's getting pissed off, so let's stop.
Aye. What's wrong?
But I'm glad you like it.
I think she might be finished.
Yeah, I think she's finished.
Oh, darling. Let me wrap up all these beans.
Yum, 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 yum. Daddy.
Daddy.
Where's your daddy? Yum, 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 yum. So there you have it. There's pecan pie. Tastes nice, super easy to cook, and Marcus approved. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It does actually help with like algorithms and whatnot. If you can't be arsed, that's cool too. Just you do you. I'm here for it. So thanks for coming and I'll see you later. Bye.